Hey Andy, we're out here. We've got your F450 built and ready. We're going to do the flight test video. And there she is. A couple of things I want to go over. We've got your DX8 here. A couple of the things on the switches. This is your F mode switch here. F mode switch is going to control your GPS attitude and manual function. So at 0 position it's in GPS, in the first position it's in attitude mode, and the second position is in manual there. So we'll keep that in, for the demonstration we'll keep that in GPS mode. Over here, your mix or throttle hold right here is your failsafe. So in any one of those 3 modes you can flick this switch forward and it will return to home, auto land, and that's your return to home failsafe right there. Intelligent orientation control, you have that set on this switch right here, your flaps. You flick it down, you've got home orientation control, and then not. So what you want to do is whatever direction you're facing, forward stays forward, side to side and back, it stays the orientation unless you turn it off, and then it'll go back to normal. So we're going to go ahead and do this flight test video real quick. Turn this on. We'll turn on the transmitter first. Okay, when you got that, that's a demonstration of what happens when you start it and your throttle is up. So that warning will go off. Now to arm these motors on your quad, you're going to actually push these sticks forward together like this. So we've got it set up and ready. We're going to go ahead and plug in your quad. Right here is your auxiliary, built-in auxiliary jack that I got for you. I put that in there. You can plug your LEDs in or leave them out depending on how you want to fly. And then I've also retrofitted this for you to fit your batteries. Today I'm flying this with a 4-cell battery. I want to show you what the 4-cell power is like, and that will allow these carbon fiber blades to take advantage of that. So I'm going to do that demonstration now for you here. So what we'll do is go plug it in. Transmitter's on. We'll plug in the LEDs. Okay, and then we'll go ahead and plug in the battery. Go. Got your LED back here. Green is your GPS, and then flashing red is searching for satellites. This, you want to make sure that that stays pointed directly forward. Okay, and as it's searching for satellites here, we'll get ready. I've got about 5 minutes set on the timer. Here we go. We'll go ahead and put the sticks together, and that'll arm your motors. You want to go ahead and give it some gas. Okay. So right now it's in GPS mode, but it hasn't locked in all the satellites. You see how it's correcting itself. It found the satellites there, so it's fixing its position. Okay. All right. So this is GPS mode, and we'll fly it around a little bit. There she goes. All right. Bring it back down a little bit here. All right. Bring it over to us. And what we'll do is we're going to take a look at those LEDs. Got your blue in the front, red in the rear. Okay. Alright, now we're going to bring this back down. We're going to go and do a little attitude mode. Okay, so that's, again, this switch. We're going to flick it to the middle position. Now we're in attitude mode. And it's more aggressive, as you can see. Quite a bit more aggressive. Here she comes. Awesome. All right, we'll bring it back down here. That is sweet. All right, we'll put this back back into GPS mode. And you see how it catches herself, okay? And we'll bring it in to us. All right. That's a blast. Okay. Intelligent orientation control. Right now, forward is forward and back. Okay, we turn it around. Controls are reverse. So we flick this switch right here down to the middle position. We turn it around. Orientation stays the same regardless of the direction of the quad, as you can see. That's pretty cool. Okay, we'll flick that back up. We'll just bring this back to us. Okay, now we'll do a return to home. Okay, that's your fail-safe switch. That's this one right here. We'll flick that forward. Now it's taking control of the quad. I don't have control, as you see here. And so now what it's doing, it's going to bring itself back and land itself. Here's a demonstration of that. Those LEDs look awesome. Okay, it's going to lower itself down a few feet every few seconds. There it comes. Now it's kind of windy out here today too. We've got probably a 10-mile-an-hour wind. All right, we'll bring her down. Here she comes. All right. Now you want to make sure that your battery is secure. All right, bring it down there. All right. Andy, I hope you enjoyed your test flight video. If you have any questions, just let me know. And this thing is awesome, and I can't wait for you to fly it. Thanks.